Everyone is building AI applications, AI agents, prototypes, POCs, but the main challenge and value is how you can take that to enterprise level, production level, where a lot of users are using it and businesses are actually getting value out of it. For that, to get a little bit more into it, 4 key ingredients we all should work on to build AI agents specifically to do your task. The first one that all of us have been doing for the last 2.5 years is prompting. This is identified still as the most crucial element, directly influencing an agent's behavior through how large language models are prompted. And this is a huge subject in itself. Prompting is one of the new skills that every one of us should learn and implement for building your agents as well. The second most crucial element, that is the engineering. Building reliable agents necessitates significant engineering skills. This includes the management of tools, the creation of data pipelines for delivering the context to the LLMs, and the crucial aspects of deployment in cloud or wherever your application is there. Engineering that we have seen: computer engineering, software engineering, AI engineering. That engineering component is one of the most crucial components for every one of us to learn and work. And these crucial components that we are speaking, this is also known as a team of people who will be building successful agents that are there. Some of them will be specialists in prompting, some of them will be specialists in engineering, and this is something that we will look into in the next slide as well. Then the third and the most crucial component for any production level application is product sense are very important, because agents are frequently designed to automate human workflows. So understanding these workflows and possessing the intuition to effectively replicate them with an AI agent is considered very vital. And nowadays the concept of having a good product knowledge, a good user experience is very crucial, and here a lot of domain knowledge comes into the picture. People who understand the customer journey, the user journey in whatever business problem that they are trying to solve. And the fourth one will surprise everyone. This is the traditional machine learning, still being used a lot, because for these large language models to work properly, you need to do evals. Evals is called evaluation, to make sure how things are working properly. This also includes fine tuning, which also includes the learnings of machine learning and deep learning, which comes under the whole umbrella of machine learning. This is where the data scientists again come back and give lot of value. This aspect is primarily utilized for evals to test and measure the agent performance, especially given their non-deterministic nature. And fine tuning also falls under this category, as I was mentioning, which is very very important. So these are the 4 main components, and one thing that is coming as a interconnected to all these 4 components, which is the skill that a lot of people are talking about, and a lot of people need to focus and have the mindset of something called as an agent engineering, who is able to do these 4 components, at least understand this or know this if they want to lead a project. But there are going to be specialists depending upon their skill level who is going to do the prompting, engineering, product, or the machine learning. But a lead or a product manager or a senior person who is heading the project should be the agent engineering, which is one of the very very important nature of work that is going to come up, and you will see this terminology coming up. This was introduced by Harrison in the the conference that was there. So I am just sharing this with all of you, that think about this, how you will be taking these 4 components and putting it together and learning. You may not be a specialist in all the 4, but you will have to be a generalist and then focus on how you can take all this learning, put it together And as I was mentioning, take your project from a POC prototype to enterprise ready scalable project that is actually getting value for the business. So thank you very much, and see you in the next